How to show or hide the app button on home screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down, and click on Home Screen. After click on Home Screen, scroll down, and you will see if you want to show or hide the apps button on home screen, you will see show and hide show app screen button on home screen is here. If you want to show app screen button on the home screen, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see app screen button on home screen is show. If you want to hide app screen button on home screen, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see app screen button on home screen is hide. So you will show and hide app screen button on home screen from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can show or hide the app button on home screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.